Hi everyone, I'm Ray and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a delicious egg salad. And normally I always want to say egg salad sandwich because we used to make this egg salad and then put it on bread. But I'm trying not to eat a lot of bread anymore and staying away from the gluten. So I'm actually going to put this egg salad on lettuce and have a real salad. So let's actually start with that. Now I like it on romaine, and you could put it on any lettuce you like. So I'm just going to do a little bit of lettuce here. And I'm going to tear it up a little. I pre-washed it all, so it's all ready to go. It's a nice organic romaine lettuce. Okay, so we've got our greens and we're just going to set that aside for a minute, and now we're going to focus on making the egg part of it. Okay, so what I've got going on here is I've got 8 hard-boiled eggs, and so I don't normally eat a lot of animal products. Every once in a while my body will crave some kind of meat or some kind of animal product. And right now it's eggs. So normally I get my eggs from my girlfriend who raises them on her family's property. And she's got 5 hens, and the kids have named all 5 of them. It's the cutest thing ever. And those are the happiest hens I've ever seen. No hormones, no antibiotics. They live in a natural environment. They get love every day from the kids. It's spectacular. I wrote a blog article actually about eggs, and so I'll put a link to that article in the show notes down below if you want to read more about eggs. I am just going to tell you, if you're going to buy eggs at the grocery store, I highly recommend you buy organic, pasture-raised, and certified humane. Let me show you. So these I actually happen to buy at Sprouts, but they're organic, they're pasture-raised, and this one isn't certified humane, but it does have it's like certified humane, and I don't have my glasses on so I can't read it, so I'm going to try to show it to you. It's right here, this little kind of reddish yellow label. Also, you can get one that says certified humane, and what those designations mean is they mean that the hens are raised in as close to their natural environment as possible from the time they're born until the time they're slaughtered. The hens that lay these eggs are lucky because typically they're not slaughtered. They're to produce more eggs. But no hormones, no antibiotics. So when I can't get my girlfriend's hen eggs, then I get these at the grocery store. Now, her hen eggs taste much better, even though these are good eggs. The yolks are a lot darker, which means there's a lot more nutrition. They're more nutrient dense in the actual egg itself. So that's the best way to go. If you can get those eggs, it's ideal. But I can't always get those eggs. So this time we're using store-bought eggs. So, and when I boil my eggs, I boil them on the stove for 10 minutes. I put them on the stove, I boil them for 10 minutes, and then I turn the water off, put the lid on, or turn the heat off, I should say, put the lid on, and I leave it on the stove for 15 minutes. And then when my timer goes off, I will run those eggs under cold water, and I will leave them in the kitchen sink for 10 minutes. And when that timer goes off, I run them through cold water again, and I leave them for 10 more minutes, and then we're done. And this is how they turn out every time. They're perfectly beautiful hard-boiled eggs. So I like that method. I forget where I learned it. I think from William's Sonoma cookbook, of all places. But that's how I like to cook my eggs. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to dress this up a little bit. So here I have a mixture of a plant-based yogurt, and I have a avocado mayonnaise, and I have an organic Dijon mustard. So let's talk about each one of these. So the yogurt that I'm using is this Harmless Harvest yogurt. I've used it before in other dishes. I'm sure you've probably, if you watch my videos, you've seen it. And then this is the avocado mayonnaise that I use. It's a brand called Chosen. I like their Classic because the Classic has no added sugar. Now, the Classic does have egg, so it is not vegan, but it is no sugar added. The vegan version of Chosen does have added sugar. So I opt to go no sugar over vegan. And that is just my personal preference. So you have to do what works for you. And then I buy an organic Dijon mustard. Okay, so we are going to, it's like 2 heaping spoonfuls of the yogurt, 1 heaping spoonful of the mayonnaise, and about, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon and a half of the mustard. I'll put the recipe below so that you can get all the ingredients. And I just mix them together because it's easier to do that ahead of time than to try to mix them when I'm mixing the egg, if that makes sense. And we're just going to use this spatula so we get all of it out of here. Okay. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add some green onion. And my grandmother used to do this. She does it when she makes her deviled eggs. And if you've seen my deviled egg recipe, you've probably seen these. But they're basically cut slices and then they're just chopped at an angle. So they're finely chopped green onions. And so we're going to throw those in. That's about 4 onions. Okay, and we're going to give this a quick stir. And I'm gently stirring it because I do want to keep a little bit of the egg intact. Nice and creamy. Now, you saw that unsweetened yogurt that I'm using is a coconut yogurt. And you might think, oh, that's going to taste weird in the deviled eggs. But you know what? You can't even tell that it's coconut. So, and I like it because it's plant-based, especially since I'm getting plenty of animal product in the eggs. Okay, and then next we are going to add some of this Bubby's. This is a dill pickle relish, and I opt for a dill pickle relish because guess what? No sugar. If you get a sweet pickle relish, which is what I grew up on in egg sandwich or egg salad, it will have sugar added. And so I don't want that added sugar. And so this is the one I go for. And that's about all I'm going to put in. 1 whopping spoonful. I'm going to say a tablespoon. And we're going to mix that in. Okay. And that's it. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Oh, jeez. Here goes the pepper. And that was kind of a big pinch. I like the pepper in it, and so you just add whatever you like to your taste buds. Give it a quick stir. Okay, and now let me wipe my fingers before I touch the salt because I don't want pepper in the salt. And this is Redmond sea salt, and that is what our egg salad looks like. Now, a lot of people would put this on bread and they would have an egg salad sandwich and it would be delicious. But because I am not eating bread, I am actually making an egg salad salad. And so I'm just going to take a spoonful and plunk it right down in the middle. And that is it. Let's have a taste. Now the beauty of this, you'll see I have a lot left. So now I can put this in the refrigerator and I can eat it throughout the week. So it was 8 eggs. If I eat, a small portion, I'm getting a couple eggs a day, and then I probably won't crave eggs for a while. Let's see how it tastes. It's actually really good. Can't tell that yogurt is coconut at all. It's very tasty. Now, the thing is eggs are actually a complete protein, meaning that they have all 9 amino acids. And so for people like me who eat plant-based, we don't always get all the amino acids that we need in our diet. And that's, I think, why my body craves it every now and then. So, you know, I don't eat a lot of it, and I don't eat factory farm eggs. I eat certified humane eggs, meaning that the hens, again, are raised in a very natural environment. They're not crammed in a warehouse with 50,000 other chickens. They're not given antibiotics. They're not given hormones. Their beaks aren't cut off, you know. It's a much more humane way. So if we're going to eat animal products, even when I buy my chicken, it's going to be a certified humane label. And I honestly think that makes the food taste better. So, bon appetit, everyone. I hope you'll try this delicious egg salad.